Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a tutorial on this soft makeup look, and if you want to see how I achieved it, then please keep watching. So first I'm going to prime my eyes with the P.Louise eyeshadow base in the shade 02. Today I'll be using like a Voss palette from Voss, and I'm going to start off with this shade Work and apply it on my outer corner. And I'm using Morphe E18 brush for this step. Next I'm gonna go with this medium brown shade and just lightly blend out the edges. I started off with this small crease brush from Makeup Geek, but it wasn't working very well, so I switched to Morphe M506 brush. So I'm just gonna blend here until the edges are diffused enough, and then I'm gonna go with the lighter transition shade, and I'm gonna use another Morphe M506 brush. I have a few of them. It's just such a good tiny blending brush, and blend out the edges of the previous shade. I'm also going to bring that color towards my inner corner just to have a little something in the crease. I'm going to be using a very light shade on the lid, but I still like to have at least some transition shade in my crease. Now I'm going to go with this beautiful light shimmer, and I'm using Morphe GH41 brush to apply it all over the lid. Since I'm using a sticky eyeshadow base, just using a dry brush will be enough. Next I'm gonna go with this gel liner from Maybelline, and I'm using the E6 brush from Colourpop to apply it right along the lash line. If you don't have a gel liner, you can also use a black pencil, but I would still apply it with a brush just to be more precise, or you can even use some black eyeshadow, but it's not gonna be as pigmented, so you'll probably have to go over it a few times. Now using Morphe E36 brush, I'm going to blend out that gel liner. After all the blending, as you can see, the first shade that I used is pretty much gone, so what I'm gonna do is apply a little bit more on the outer corner and blend it out the same way that I did first time. To highlight, I'm going to use my Marc Jacobs highlighter. I forgot what it's called, but I'm going to put everything in the description box if you guys are interested. As for my lower lash line, I'm going to start off with a gel liner, and I'm just going to apply a little bit like this, just I would say on the outer third, and then I'm going to use Morphe E36 brush and the shade Work to blend it out. I'm still not going to bring it all the way to the inner corner. I'm going to switch to Morphe M506 brush and the transition shade that I used earlier, and that's when I'm going to bring it all the way towards my inner corner. For my waterline, I'll be using this Makeup Forever pencil in a shade 104. I just bought this one, but they used to have my favorite white pencil years ago and then was discontinued, so I really hope that this is the same old formula. And finally going to apply some mascara, and I'm going to be using a pair of Lilly lashes. I forgot the style, but you can find them in my description box. I don't think I ever used Lilly lashes before. I know a lot of people love them, but I usually go for velour when I go to Sephora because those are just my absolute favorite, but these look really nice too. So here's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel. I hope I'll see you in my next one. Bye!